Hello and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2018 Toyota Highlander. The air filter is located in this position right over here, right in front of the driver. You have to remove these two clamps, pull this back, and your air filter is right inside. You just swap out the old one for the new one. I've already replaced mine. This is a K&N washable lifetime filter. I highly recommend these, and I'll post a link below on where you can get yours. And well, anyway, they just lays back down in there. Put the cap back on. Snap it shut. That's it. Thanks for watching.